Currently, the temperature is 19 degrees with heavy snow and windy conditions. A wind chill warning, a winter weather advisory, and a wind advisory have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, snow will be heavy at times along with gusty winds. Low 17. Winds west-southwest at 25 to 40 miles per hour. 1 to 2 inches of snow expected. And on Friday, windy with morning snow. High 16. Winds south-southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. And Friday night, windy, snow showers ending early. Low -2. Winds southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 30%. On Saturday, cloudy with gusty winds. High 13. Winds west-southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Our 7-day outlook.